Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel. We love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Now, family, I hope you guys have had a phenomenal weekend, and I hope your Monday is off to a great start. Now, before I start the video, I like to start with the word. I'm reading out of one of my all-time favorite books, The Greatest Salesman in the World, top 5 book. Hey, you should really get this book and add it to your library, okay? And so I've started to just read a few quotes from some of my greatest books. So today I want to talk about this quote here. I will greet this day with love in my heart. For this is the greatest secret of success in all ventures. Muscle can split a shield and even destroy life, but only the unseen power of love can open the hearts of men. And until I master this art, I will remain no more than a peddler in the marketplace. I will make love my greatest weapon, and none on whom I call can defend against its force. Listen, family, love is a powerful thing, right? And so, The Greatest Salesman, it talks about, greeting people with love, always having love in your heart, meeting people with a smile, meeting people with a positive attitude. You just don't know, you just don't realize how contagious a smile is. You just don't know how contagious a positive attitude is. And so even though we're going to have our bumps, our ups and downs in the market, we're going to have our ups and downs in life, always remain optimistic, always remain positive, and always look and expect a positive outcome. Now, when it comes to love, there is no force more powerful than love. Okay. All right. Now, I don't want to go too deep into detail, but man, the quote says it all. And so I want to talk about the SPY today. And if you've been watching my videos, I talked about Friday. I talked Friday about Monday possibly being a sell-off, because we've had some tremendous success over the past week. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good green days. Man, we had nice, strong upward movement. As a matter of fact, this is Apple. Now, what I've been focusing on, I've been playing one play the past month, and that's SPY. Oftentimes we could look at 8, 9, 10 different plays, or we could just focus on one. We could master one, and we could build a relationship with one. And so when you look at a play like SPY, when you look at it every single day, every single 2 or 3 times a day, you begin to build a relationship with the stock, right? And so I understand the movement of it, right? And I knew that after we had, 5 successful days, I expected Monday to be some sort of a pullback, right? Because we had nice green candles, nice upward trend. We're getting back to that 20 almost, but we had a little bit of rejection here. We had a pretty much a choppy day, and I got to be honest with you. I end up placing some calls, got stopped out. I end up placing some puts, got stopped out. And so today really wasn't a successful day for me because it was just all choppy. It was really, really a choppy day. And so what do I expect going forward? We're going to have to let the candles decide, right? And so when we take a look at the candles here, we had a bearish candle, nice bullish candle, and I jumped into a trade, and I jumped in too early. I assumed that it was going to go in one direction, and it didn't do that. It didn't go as I projected. Matter of fact, I can show you when I jumped into the play. So I jumped into the play around. I jumped into actually, and so when we hit here, I jumped into a let me see, this is 3-minute chart. Let me pull up the hour chart. So at the open of the market, we opened at 391. For the first hour, we had a high of 391.33, a low of 387. Then I pretty much placed a put option. I thought we was gonna have more down movement to the downside. Got stopped out. Then I placed a put option. I thought we were gonna pretty much have a late rally, and I got stopped out there. And so it was pretty much flat today. So today was a pretty much flat day today. When we take a look at the candles, when we're trading sideways like this, normally I would just sit on the sideline. You know, I've been doing some great trades the past couple of weeks. So I took a risk. And unfortunately, those risks didn't work out for me. So I'm negative. For today, I think I'm negative $400. And so what I will do is I will sit on the sideline and wait for some confirmation. And normally what I like to do, I like to trade based on daily candles. But today I tried a day trade, and unfortunately, due to all the choppiness in the market, you know, I was unsuccessful. All right, I was unsuccessful today. And so I'm going to continue waiting to see, you know, how the next day candle perform. If we are met with some resistance at the 20, we may come back a little bit. So I'm going to wait to see how we look once we get to 391 or 392. If we get there, right, we may come back down a little bit because we had this is a huge bullish candle here. Huge bullish candle. We had a huge day on Friday, and I expect a slight pullback on Monday. All right. And right now, this isn't a tradable candle for me. I love candles that give me some confirmation. So as of right now, if we have a red candle which drops below 50% of this bullish candle here, so it may present an opportunity that we could have more downward movement. But as of right now, we started higher than the previous candle, dipped just below the previous or Friday's candle. And so if we have another candle that dips 50% below this candle, we could have some possible downward movement. But as of right now, this is a choppy trade. So I am going to sit on the sideline, and I will watch how tomorrow's candle develop. Family, listen, sometimes the best trade is no trade. All right, I want to say that again. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Okay, now family, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to sit on the sideline. We're going to wait and see how tomorrow's candle develop before we decide to jump back in. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.